Alright guys, so you saw how easy it was to poach eggs. We use the So, the water is just getting to that point where it's going to start boiling. It's bubbling a little bit on the bottom, but not a hard boil, and we don't want a hard boil. So, there's two ways to poach. We can gently place the eggs into the water and let them sit very calmly, or you can use what's called the vortex method, which is where you give the water a little stir and you'll create like that little whirlpool in there and drop the egg right in the center. And what happens is that swirling helps keep all the whites together as it turns, keeps it right there in that center. I don't know, what do y'all think? Let's try it out. Let's see what happens. I'm not promising anything, but we'll give it a shot. So one little tip about poaching eggs. When get your water heated, I use about 1.5 cups, 2 caps of vinegar. It helps hold the whites together and helps poach. You don't taste the vinegar taste. Did you ever notice something? I just noticed it myself. I'm always 1.5. Probably because it's always 2. And maybe leads to a little bit more. You know, I never drink just 1 glass. I always say, I might have 1.5 glasses. But then it ends up being 2. Maybe it's a bottle. Maybe it's 1.5 bottles and it ends up being 2. I don't know. But here we go. Gotta give a thumbs up to the vortex method. Look at this beautiful egg. That water just swirled around, and as you pour those whites in, if the water wasn't moving, they would just spread out and kind of tether off, almost like a jellyfish. But when you have that water moving in a circle, it holds right together. And again, you don't want your water boiling because you don't want it to pop and throw that egg white up and roll that egg around. You just want it nice, hot, almost at just a little simmer. So ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. A perfectly poached egg.
Yet, yo.